Welcome back, Flare community. Today I'm going to introduce you to a brand new project which is coming to the Flare network, and that is Singularity. So, a very undiscovered project. We have the Singularity Twitter account here, and you can follow them if you like at Singularity FINC, Singularity Finance. And this project is all about financial inclusion, and it's going to be built on top of the Flare network. Now, if we move over here, some of you may actually recognize this name, Mohammed Taisa. He says, "I'm honored that I spoke at the Royal Investment Summit on the future of banking and payments. I'm also honored that I received an award from H.E. Sheikh Abdulaziz Al Khalifa on behalf of Singularity Finance for our efforts around financial inclusion and the UN SDGs." And here we can see a picture of him accepting the award there. So yes, this may be a familiar name. So if we go over to the Flare website, we can see over here on our team all of the usual suspects that we all know and love. And if we scroll right to the bottom, we can actually see Mo here. And he is the head of business development of the Flare team. If we look on his profile, we see that Mo is a certified blockchain instructor, angel investor, and entrepreneur. Mo also works with Hyperloop Transport Technologies as part of their global BD team. So, with that being said, a short introduction, let's actually jump over to their website. Here we go, this is the Singularity website, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. We're going to read through this and basically get a full idea of the actual business that is going to be brought to the Flare network. Singularity. We all have personal expenses, bills, and payment of different kinds, whether it's to manage our household or businesses. In this post-COVID world, we need to be empowered by tools that make our lives easier and our financials accessible. And this is a quote from Jim Yong Kim, who is the World Bank Group president. "In the past few years, we have seen great strides around the world in connecting people to formal financial services. Financial inclusion allows people to save for family needs, borrow to support a business, or build a cushion against an emergency. Having access to financial services is a critical step towards reducing both poverty and inequality. And new data on mobile phone ownership and internet access shows unprecedented opportunities to use technology to achieve universal financial inclusion." And this is definitely a growing trend. The amount of people who have access to mobile phone devices and internet is much greater than the amount of people who have access to traditional financial services. Let's talk about their logic. The opportunity to help with uplifting millions of people's lives and allowing them to realize their potential is the reason why financial inclusion is important. The ability to use technology to achieve this is where true innovation thrives. There is no universal roadmap to show how countries can achieve financial inclusion. And we can look at their architecture. The fastest way to achieve inclusion is to create a full financial services ecosystem that revolves around the user's needs and wants. We, Singularity Finance, created a tool for people to manage their daily and monthly transactions, payments, and to run and grow their business, utilizing the newest tools available, including blockchain, AI, etc. And for those of you who don't know, AI stands for artificial intelligence, and the blockchain that they are referring to is the Flare network. We're going to get onto that in a short second. Singularity. Singularity is a financial and identity management platform. Users are able to manage their personal and business account payments as well as their sovereign, corporate, and digital identities, powered by Fleur. Now we can scroll down here and see, I guess, a little bit of an example of what this service actually includes. Singularity is a neo-banking app that can be used by people and businesses alike to manage their identity, accounts, payments, and bills. And it looks like it's going to be available on Apple, Android, and also Windows devices. Now, if we look to the right here, we can see that you have various typical banking application features. You've got a calendar where you can see all of your payments. It looks like it's going to be a multi-asset wallet, and that's including fiat. So very interesting indeed. And if we scroll further down, we can talk about managing your business. Dabar Hali is a new B2B marketplace, and B2B stands for business to business. As a business, you will be able to easily manage your purchasing needs as well as access to different financing options to help fulfill your order. Dabar Hali connects micro businesses and small to medium businesses to local and global suppliers as well as financiers. So the way that I see this, it's kind of like a Alibaba. It's where businesses can connect with other businesses to source products that they may actually need, and they can also get financing by using this application. Another section of the Singularity Finance product suite is the Singularity SPOS, and POS stands for Point of Sale. Our SPOS is a software point of sales payment system that allows merchants to accept different modes of payments, including card payments, without the need for a hardware terminal. And you know, that's the way the world is going. We're going to a contactless society. And as we can see here, Singularity Crypto is a non-custodial digital asset wallet that can be fully compatible with Fleur and the supporting different Fleur apps, functionalities, and DeFi solutions. So that says to me that they're obviously encompassing many of the integrated assets. I mean, we can see a lot of them there: Dogecoin, XLM, Litecoin, XRP, and obviously some others too. We've got Gala, ADA, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, in addition to the Spark token itself. So you can see this kind of functionality comparable to, say, Bifrost. Finally, if we scroll down, we can see some of the team here, and I'm sure they're going to do a great job with this. So I really wanted to just bring this project to your attention in case you did want to actually follow along. And as I said before, please feel free to follow them on Twitter at SingularityFinc. I guess the future is very bright with yet another project being launched on the Fleur network. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.